Welcome back, guys. Guess what we found? A plant! The sound was, it might be a wild Thomas. Oh, is that the one that you two viewed?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah. Hey,
Thomas.
I haven't give you any food. So, right, the first step to how to care for Thomas is, of course, how to feed them. Now, for breakfast, you want to give them
Some
a giant Skittle. If you give them Petbull for 3 days straight, he will go crazy. And this is the first day we've ever fed them. If you give them three Petbull Skittles in 1 day, because that is Thomas. So, right, do a roll. Do it.
That's my table.
Do a roll.
Thomas, stand.
Stand? Yeah. I listen to you.
Good boy. Sit.
Now jump.
Good boy.
Now roll over.
Don't listen to me. Roll over.
We said it twice. Right. So boy, hey.
Thomas.
Right.
Table.
Yes. Here's your Petbull Skittle. It might take him a while to eat one Petbull Skittle. He's not very good at eating. It takes about 2 minutes. It takes about 5 minutes to eat in maths. Sometimes he just kisses this. Right, now the second step, you actually want to feed him 2 Skittles. Except I'm going to eat this one. Next step isn't it feed him
What's in my giant Petbull Skittles?
a Smartie. Okay,
This might be crazy still.
No. If I give you a Smartie, it calms you down. So you don't get too hyper.
So
You think of it.
the next step is
You want to rub it all over the floor.
with what?
Skittle. Now you want to eat it.
That looks like a thing. First,
You can hear him sucking. And now you can have one.
no, it tastes bad. Calm me down.
I'm going to rub mine on the ground. It's pretty good.
Oh my god! Oh! Well, that actually tasted really good. Have a little lick.
It's good. It has a nice texture.
Yeah.
Hey, doggy. Doggy.
Mine.
Doggy.
Mine. He's a bear, remember?
No, it's a Thomas.
Oh yeah.
A wild one still.
Oh yeah. It's wow. Thomas is sort of like a bear.
One of the steps is actually to give him ice cream.
Oh yeah, baby.
And we'll also need more Petbull Skittles. Otherwise, if we don't give him at least 5 in the whole entire day, he might start to starve. And he's already started to starve yesterday because we didn't get anything yesterday.
Oh wow, the past.
Like 7 days.
Yeah.
Right.
So. Oh, you're allowed some.
No.
Oh. Why can't I?
allowed some? Actually, yeah, you can have some. You can lick it off the ground.
Oh god, no. Can I?
Yeah.
I'm not.
I'm still doing this all the time. There you go.
Thanks.
I was missing it. Mind that he's really good at eating stuff off the floor. Look at him.
Oh, thanks. Thomas, give me diarrhea.
No.
Bad money. Yes.
So, actually, you can never get diarrhea, which is a really good thing.
Well, this thing can't.
Well, the only thing that can make it have diarrhea is if it kisses with another dog that does have diarrhea. Or a wild Thomas. If it kisses with another wild Thomas that has diarrhea, it will have diarrhea.
Wait.
So Anton,
Wait.
Then how did
Pause.
diarrhea start then?
Technically, this thing is not a wild Thomas. Because a wild Thomas would be in the wild. Well, that thing is...
yeah, it's still
is it-
okay, Jeans. Let's just
Right.
It doesn't matter. Okay. So now you want to give it after about 9 o'clock after about 11 o'clock in the morning. You want to give it a 4-hour nap because these things waste a lot of energy. Now you want to cover his head up.
Yes.
He doesn't like the light.
So like kind of like me. So every single.
And also I sleepwalk. He does sleepwalk.
So every single.
And I was sleep talking.
Yeah. So every single every single like 2 or 3 hours he needs to go. So he spends more of his life asleep than.
Yeah, you want to really close it. Really? Oh, we hit the ball. Oh, that's my ball. I haven't got that for a week. Do the ball? Now, you really want to make them go and do a lot of exercise. You want a ball? Because they start off really fat. You want a ball? Oh. Yay! Take the ball.
We should have some good dribbles. Because I dribble. Like
It actually does.
I'll give Owen a ball. A ball. Ball?
I'll give him fetch.
Ready, Thomas? In 3, 2, 1. I think he might need some. Come on. Alright, so. Right, what you need to do now when he's starting to misbehave like this or something, then you have to
I'm sleepwalking.
so you kind of have to retain them there, and then and then so just like in How to Tame a Thomas, we say you knock him out, and then you make him pick his nose.
My favorite part.
Then I can't remember what else, but there's 2 ways. You stuck it, and then he smacks himself on the head 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then should stop sleepwalking. So you knock him out. Then you make him pat himself on the forehead. Then you make 5 times. Then you make him pick his nose.
Yeah.
Then all you have to do. Hi, Thomas.
You will sleepwalk after this. Oh shit! This has big cheese! Yeah. So. Oh my god, he's got the ball! We don't know if he's tamed! outside. Ah! I guess he's taking my ball back now. You have to quickly move the ball when he's sleeping. Otherwise he might wake up or start sleepwalking again. And I'll just do it quick enough. Now you want to slap him on the butt for being naughty. You won't wake up though, which is the good thing. Now you want to step him on the butt. Oh, that thing jiggles good.
Right, I'm gonna have a little bit.
Hey! 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 Hi! Say hi to the camera! Say hi to the camera! I sleep off! He's sleep dancing now! Hey, 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 hey! Oh.
Okay, right.
Right, go, get the ball, get the ball, get the ball, get the ball!
He doesn't know where the ball is.
The ugg senses are tingling.
Right, right, now it's my.
Oh my god! This guy is good. Liam hit it that earlier.
I don't think he knows where the ball is.
I don't think he knows where it is.
Lovely. And the well,
I'm not saying this to roast him, but he is very dumb. Oh, he's very weak though.
try and resume him.
Tiny, I'm tiny. Obviously. So what? Ah! Shush!
Hey, no.
Oh!
Your Skittles are fell out.
No, that's not mine. I still got mine. Oh my god, I think it's on the wall. He's very aggressive. Okay, okay, no.
Bad, Thomas, bad. Bad. You need to go in your crate.
Where ball? Where ball?
Bad, Thomas. When wild Thomases, or should I say just any type of Thomas Bear thing, misbehaves in any way, tell them off and say for them to never do it again. And then, well, and then, well,
Oh shit!
hey, bad Thomas,
Where ball go?
I'll show you where ball went.
Where ball went?
Then you go in crate.
Fine.
Right, come on.
Where ball?
Here. having to record this backwards.
Watch out, later.
Go to the
Whatever.
I think the wild Thomas is misbehaving.
When he says caca poo poo, that means he needs
Hungry. He's hungry.
Yeah.
Caca poo poo.
Speak a different language.
Caca poo poo. Caca poo poo.
Thomas.
Wait. We need to give him 2 Skittles for now. Don't give him too many.
One of them has to be rubbed in dirt.
Yep.
Then you rub it off.
Dirt.
I hope this is safe for wild Thomases to eat.
It is, bro. We've literally already done this to a wild Thomas.
Oh yeah.
And he's a fully grown wild Thomas, and he's actually really not kind to me. This one's not fully tamed yet, so it could do some misbehavior and maybe even kill it.
It was just none. Make sure we're like in. Yeah. I've had 2. Give me more. Caca poo poo.
But no. Don't give him more.
Caca poo poo.
Oh shoot, high speed chase. Thomas! Liam, stay on the ground! Stay on the ground!
Caca, just give me. No! He's way too energetic.
Oh shoot, I told you! He might start to kill now, which is really bad. Oh shoot, no, I'm on the ground, guys. Remember in the first ever video that was done about wild Thomas? Stay on the ground! Liam, get on the ground! And it's just a 1, by the way. Once he goes away, you can go continue what you want to do.
Remember, I can't see us when we're on the ground.
Ah! It stepped on his nose. Oh, good God. Oh, shit! Liam! Oh, shoot, I don't... Liam, go down, it'll walk away.
So what you need to do is get your fingers up, you know where,
Yeah.
up its butt. Then it knocks it out when you... Oh God, it's stealing our pack. It's going to get even more
Oh,
monsters.
no, it's only purple. And it's colorblind. It thinks purple is orange. Let's have 4 orange ones. Shoot! No! Hey! Oh shoot! He's gonna get really hyper. He can literally run a whole marathon in about a minute. Oh shoot!
So the tactic is we need to get fingers up.
Yeah. Oh shoot! I'm getting really close up with the doors. Oh shoot! It doesn't like when you film it dance. So put the camera down when it starts dancing. Yes, please. Oh shit! I think it's got more purple ones! As you can see, the Wild Thomas is doing some dumb science. And Neem is dead. It really likes prime trucks.
What was it?
How to revive early He's revived.
Yay! I'm alive!
As you can see, the Wild Thomas.
Not more. Okay, it seems like he's tamed me, but I think we'll have to. I think I'll have to knock him out. Then you do the whole process, so it's both teamed.
Okay.
So wait, no, I need to knock him out first. I've got. It's the.
Oh shoot! I'm stupid.
We're not going to be able to film the rest with William because he's being a little poo-poo. No, he's just not able to play out, is
Yeah. Sorry for the big delay on this, guys.
Yeah.
It's just like my old William and not wanting to play out and stuff like that.
Well, it's been
And
also.
also getting bullied a bit by some comps.
Yeah, okay. So we've gotten the Thomas over here. So I think he's a little bit sleepy, isn't he, son? Yeah, he hates the sun. So let's just cover him up in some glass, shall we?
I can't believe that you do this to me.
What? A seagull!
There you go.
Somewhere. Oh, the seagull's gone. Gotten the Wild Thomas over here.
Mm-hmm.
And you're a Thomas, not a dog. Yeah, they make that noise just normally, kind of like a dog. So they don't really like the sun, but they like to lie outside. So we'll just grab some of this grass here and then put it on him.
You disturb my slumber. Eat glass. Yummy glass. Yummy glass. Fresh glass. Close right off the stalk. Num num num.
Righty. Bad Thomas. Bad.
Disturb my slumber. I bet that's horrible. Hey, it's fine, right? Wait, this cove are not far. But it's supposed to be. Wait, is that fine?
No. So the next step in how to care for Thomas is that, well, obviously they need to go in their cage for some sleepy time. So, come on, Thomas. Time for sleepy time.
Okay.
Sleepy time. Now your cage is over here. Over that way. You bring your mini cage. Are you sleepwalking again?
Oh, I see those.
Fail. I may disturb your slumber. I'll shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you with a gun that will make you more, like, excited.
Don't do that.
Is he eating the grass? Wait, what happens if I steal his property? Maybe that'll work. Bye. Wow, the Wild Thomas is chasing after us. Either he's sleepwalking or he's sleep chasing. This is very hard to steer and maneuver. Just one hand. I think.
I will spit on you.
Right. So what? Thomas, you got to go in your cage. Follow me. Your cage is over here. That. Oh.
This.
Okay. So now the next step is all you have to do is just give him a dandelion.
How no?
And then just sprinkle it or just waft it near him so he should fall asleep. You have to do this like every 5 hours.
Nice try. Get out in the middle of the path.
So normally he just gets bored and then falls asleep. So I'll find out how to do a time lapse. So
Can I have some sleeping?
boom. So this Thomas of thing said that he might want some sleepy time thing. So I guess I'll get out my nice little bag and then I'll just open it. One second, I'll have to put the camera up here. I can't see what's happening. So I've got
Gum
so
with
the
extra gum in it.
So I've got one of these sleepy time things, I don't know if it's too close. And then I'm gonna give it to him. So there you are. It's very hard for him to grab stuff. Ah, look, he's already fallen asleep. Wow. Righty. So I think we might end off there. Actually no, that's a couple more steps, isn't there? So once he wakes up, you have to basically repeat this all again. So it'll take like a couple of hours. But just the sleeping part, you only do 5 hours every 5 hours. So I hope that's enough information for you. Just search it up or something. And then I guess we'll do it. I guess we'll just end, unless there's anything we can think of.
No.
Oh, okay.
Sleep till Brooklyn. Like and subscribe.
Bye. Bye. Say bye from Thomas.
Bye. I do, you do. Right, starting off with the first one out of 3.
Make it easier than harder. Yep, okay.
Coming up on for fast spin.
Nice one. Nice.
Oh my booty.
Nice. So what you next is
Next is this.